Hi everyone, today we're making a beautiful looking and symbolic Chinese sweet steam bun. Longevity peach buns or 寿桃包 are ubiquitous at large Chinese birthday celebrations. It offers an older person good wishes for a long and healthy life. You don't need many ingredients, just some time and effort. So, let me show you how. You'll need flour, oil, yeast, sugar, water, and sweet red bean paste, or any filling that you like. Bring together the dough by slowly incorporating cold water into the rest of the ingredients. Once you pull all the dry ingredients together, knead for 5 minutes. It probably won't look very smooth right now, but wrap it in plastic and leave it to rest for a few minutes. Use this time to prepare your red bean paste by rolling it into balls of roughly 1 tablespoon. Then set them aside. As well, prepare the red food coloring by diluting it with some water so it will be easier to apply. Now take your rested dough and knead it smooth. Roll it into a cylinder and divide into 10 pieces of about 50 grams each. Put all the pieces under plastic to keep moist while you prepare the leaves. For the leaves, I like to take the 2 smaller end pieces and dye it green with food coloring. It'll take a few minutes, but knead the dough thoroughly to make sure it's evenly colored throughout. And then cut into 16 small pieces, 2 for each bun. To shape them, roll the small piece of dough between your palms until you have a long teardrop shape. Then press it against the table with something flat. I use the back of a butter knife to make leaf-like indentations. Repeat this process and make 15 other leaves and then set them aside. Now back to the buns. Take a piece and knead it into a smooth ball and then roll it out. Here I'm using a technique of folding over the dough 3 times as I roll to make sure that my buns come out with a smooth appearance. Then gather up the dough and roll it out one last time into a round disc. With the seamless side on the bottom, fill it with the red bean paste and pinch tightly to close. To turn the bun into a peach, hold it in your palm and start forcing the dough into a teardrop shape using the space between your thumb and forefinger. Once you get the desired shape, use a spoon to make a crescent-shaped crease from the top of the now teardrop-shaped bun to the bottom. And there you have it, a peach. To assemble the peach, you'll need the diluted red food coloring, your leaves, and some plain water. Use some scrunched up paper towels to apply red food color carefully on the tip part of the bun. Apply as much color as you like, but don't overdo it as it will get the buns too wet, which will interfere with the proofing process of the dough. Then wet the back of a leaf with water and attach it to the peach, one on either side. Once they're all assembled, leave them to rise in a bamboo steamer. Depending on how long you took to make these, you might still have 30 minutes to 1 hour rising time left. To cook, bring a pot of water to boil and steam on high for 8 to 10 minutes. Turn off the heat and remove the bamboo steamer from the pot. But crucially, don't open the lid. Let the bun sit covered for 5 to 10 minutes. After it has sat, open and you will find fluffy, smooth peach buns that are almost too pretty to eat. Almost. These buns are truly a labor of love. There are many steps to hand-making longevity peach buns at home, but its pretty looks and what it represents make them a special event dessert item. And it's not just about the looks. Their sweet red bean paste with the fluffy bun is a real treat. I hope you'll make them for your loved ones. If you're interested in more steamed bun recipes, please check out the link above to my ooey gooey sesame steamed buns. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And check out my blog at yensfamilytable.com for the full written recipe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.